welcome back. It is so festive in my home right now. I'm trying not to get overstimulated because there's a lot going on, but I'm enjoying it. A very slow day at home. I do have some tidying up to do in my house. It's quite a mess, but we're not going to do that in this video. We're going to leave it, let it be. I am sick. I had a cold for 4 days and it's going strong, so it has me a little winded. I'm very fatigued. So I did get new bedding. I got a duvet set, I got some pillow covers, and then I plan on sewing a pillow cover for like my oversized lumber pillow that goes on the bed, to do a little bit of some paper crafts, maybe some hanging snowflakes, paper ring garland, just to add a whimsy touch in the bedroom. I always love to spruce up my bedding for any season. I absolutely love bedding in general, and I just feel like making your bedroom a cozy space is really nice because that's where you wake up in the morning, that's where you wind down at night. It's an area that I just feel needs to be cozy and comfortable. That being said, it's gonna be a day filled with crafts and decorating and just making another area of my home feel magical and special for this holiday season. And if that all sounds good to you guys, I hope you stick around and let's hop in. I'm going to make my coffee before I get to sewing, but I wanted to share with you guys this pistachio cream from Costco. It is amazing. My husband went to Costco and he stumbled upon this, and I tried it and I'm obsessed. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna add this and make it into like a cold foam and put it over our coffee. You want ice? You want ice? You want ice? Go. Sit. Go. So whenever I make coffee or we touch the ice machine, Free always wants a piece of ice, so she gets it. The pistachio tastes amazing. We're gonna enjoy this drink as we sew and craft now. Cheers. Okay. So here's the fabric that I'm going to be making a pillow cover with. I got this from Walmart last year and I just never used it, so we're going to utilize it this year, and I have a decent amount, so this is going to be fun. We're going to go ahead and get to making this pillow cover. I need to cut it. I've already did my measurements. All right, that room's not working out. It's too cluttered and messy, so I'm gonna cut the stuff in my living room and then move it back to that room when it's time to sew. I got the goods. We are finally in the bedroom and it is time to decorate it. Finish the pillow cover. Now we're fully ready. We're ready to go. Let's get all of this bedding off and make it cozy, whimsy, and very fun in here. Okay, so I pulled out majority of the themes. I don't have a lot to work with, so we're really gonna wing this. This is the stuff that I am going to be using. I have these two floral pots that I kind of just threw things together. We have this duvet cover, these blankets, and this is kind of what I'm gonna use. you.